Life can be tough. It can hit you hard and strip you to the core. You will cry, and that's okay. But crying isn't enough. You have to get back up and keep going. That's where the real growth takes place. The challenge of growth comes when you get knocked down, and how you handle it is what matters. It's okay to get knocked down, but it's not okay to stay down. You have a choice. You can either give up or keep going. You have to save your own life. Nobody else can do it for you. You have to be your own hero, and that means being mentally strong and not giving up. You might be facing a divorce or losing your job, but you're not alone. Others have been there before, and they've made it through. The question is, what are you going to do about it? You have a choice to either give up or keep going, and that choice is yours. Don't focus on the negative. Instead, think optimistically and speak positively. You can speak those things which are not as though they were. You can say certain things out your mouth and make them happen. You can do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. The fight isn't over if you've been knocked down. It's only over if you quit. So don't quit. Don't give up. You might need to rest and recover, but don't quit. Mentally, you can stay connected and keep going. At the end of pain is your millions, your reward, your productivity, and your promise. So use your energy to get through the pain, and recycle your pain to make something great out of it. You can't stop what happens to you, but you can dictate how you respond. So when life happens, don't just sit there and cry. Keep going, keep fighting, and don't give up. You've invested too much to quit, and you've made too many sacrifices to give up. You can do this, and you will succeed if you don't give up.